I have these other street lights that I got online. They may have some posters right there. That looks nice. These are LED lights. Very detailed. Nice. Here is I think this is metal tubing. Oh, the posters are different on the other side. How great. Okay, let's measure these lamps, street lights. They measure around 4 inches and 3/8 tall. I have my foam board right there, and I will make 3 holes. One right here, the other one here, and the other one over there. Now I use hot glue to cover the wires, and I make a little holes so that way I can put it inside. Now it's time for a little test. Wow, my room is completely dark. Oh, look at that light. Wow, those are very strong lights. Really cool. Off, on, off, on. Amazing. I assume maybe you don't have a battery compartment to make this work, and I will weld the batteries to the wires and this little switch to make it work. If you want to buy a battery compartment, that's okay. You can also do that, and this will be easy for everybody. Alright, I think we are done. Now I left this with a long wire so you can hide it out of the table and it will look better hiding somewhere else. See how nice? Excellent. I think this is a nice little project for the adults, for the to make something for your kids, and so that way the kids can have a lot of fun playing with their street lights and the little trees. I used a foam board. It's very cheap, and the trees and lamp lights are very cheap too. You don't need to spend a lot of money trying to make a little scenery. If you want, you can buy your switches online. They are not expensive, and the battery compartments, so you don't have to do what I just did. Other than that, you need to use your imagination, and everything is really cool.